Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance British Airline Baggage Policy. British Airways allows one cabin bag, 56 by 45 by 25 centimeters, 23 kilogram, and one personal item, 40 by 30 by 15 centimeters, 23 kilogram, free. Checked baggage varies. Economy Basic, none, Standard, 123 kilograms bag, Premium Economy, 223 kilogram, Business, 232 kilograms, First, 332 kilograms. Extra bags cost £35, £165. Overweight fees are £65. Strollers, medical items free. Oneworld Elites get extras. Check ba.com for partner flights and fees. Carry-on baggage allowance. British Airways permits one cabin bag and one personal item per passenger at no charge across all cabins. The cabin bag must not exceed 56 by 45 by 25 centimeters, 22 by 18 by 10 in, including handles and wheels, and weigh up to 23 kilograms, 51 pounds. The personal item, such as a handbag or laptop bag, must fit under the seat and not exceed 40 by 30 by 15 centimeters, 16 by 12 by 6 in, also up to 23 kilogram. Infants under 2 without a seat get one cabin bag, 56 by 45 by 25 centimeters, for in-flight essentials. If a seat is booked for the infant, they receive the same allowance as an adult. Oversized or overweight carry-ons are sent to the hold, incurring checked baggage fees. Checked baggage allowance. Checked baggage allowances vary by fare type and cabin class. Economy Basic, hand baggage only, includes no free checked bags, while Economy Standard allows one bag up to 23 kilograms, 51 pounds. Premium Economy permits two bags at 23 kilograms each. Business Class allows two bags at 32 kilograms, 70 pounds, each, and First Class permits three bags at 32 kilograms each. Bags must not exceed 90 by 75 by 43 centimeters, 35 by 30 by 17 in. Children aged 2 to 11 receive the same allowance as adults, while infants under 2 without a seat get one 23 kilograms bag, except on basic fares. Additional items like strollers or car seats, up to 2 per child, infant, are free. Baggage fees for extra or oversized bags. Extra checked bags cost £35, £140 online via Manage My Booking, depending on the route, or £75, £165 at the airport, where prices are higher. For example, a second bag on a long-haul flight may cost £65 online or £80 at the airport. Overweight bags, 32 kilograms in Economy, Premium Economy, incur a £65 fee per bag per journey, €75 per dollar, 100 United States dollars per $100 CAD. Bags over 32 kilograms or 190 by 75 by 65 centimeters, 75 by 29.5 by 25.5 in, are not accepted and must be shipped as cargo. Oversized bags within 190 by 75 by 65 centimeters require special handling and should be checked in 90 minutes before departure. Avios points cannot cover overweight, oversized fees. Oneworld Elite status benefits. Oneworld Sapphire, e.g., British Airways Silver, and Emerald, e.g., BA Gold, members receive enhanced baggage allowances, except on basic fares. Sapphire members get two checked bags up to 32 kilograms each in Economy, while Emerald members receive one additional bag up to 32 kilograms, with all checked bags allowed up to 32 kilograms. These benefits apply only on British Airways operated flights, not codeshares or partner airlines, where policies differ. Check partner airline rules for connecting flights. Special items, strollers, car seats, medical equipment, strollers, car seats, travel cots, or baby back carriers, up to 2 per child, infant, can be checked for free, even on basic fares. Fully collapsible strollers, max 117 by 38 by 38 centimeters when collapsed, can be taken to the gate and retrieved at the aircraft door at some airports. Larger ones go to the baggage claim. Medical equipment, such as CPAP machines or portable oxygen concentrators, has no weight number limit but may require prior approval. A medical professional's letter is recommended, and these items should be carried as hand baggage. Sports equipment and musical instruments. Sports equipment, e.g., golf clubs, skis, bicycles, and musical instruments count toward the checked baggage allowance if within 90 by 75 by 43 centimeters and 23 kilograms, or 32 kilograms for premium cabins. Oversized items up to 190 by 75 by 65 centimeters may be accepted with advance notice and a possible £65 fee if exceeding the allowance. Bicycles must be in a protective cover, box, and diving cylinders must be empty. Small instruments fitting carry-on limits can be brought on board. Larger ones may require an extra seat purchase. Notify British Airways via their contact form after booking. Restricted and prohibited items. Hand baggage follows UK and TSA liquid rules. Containers up to 100 milliliters in a 1-liter clear bag. Prohibited items include weapons, flammables, and certain lithium battery devices, e.g., hoverboards, e-scooters. Spare lithium batteries, up to 2 per person, max 100 watt-hours, must be in carry-ons, with terminals protected. Avalanche rescue packs and self-inflating safety devices, e.g., life jackets, are allowed with restrictions. Check British Airways restricted items page for details, especially for U.S. routes, where FAA rules may differ. Pet policy. Only registered assistance animals are permitted in the cabin, with advance documentation. Other pets, cats, dogs, must travel in the cargo hold via British Airways cargo service, with fees and arrangements handled separately. Pets are not allowed in the cabin except as assistance animals, and specific routes, e.g., to, from the UK, have stricter regulations. Contact British Airways at least 24 hours before travel to confirm pet arrangements. Lost, damaged, or delayed baggage. Report lost, delayed, or damaged baggage within 7 days for international flights or 24 hours for domestic flights at the airport's baggage service desk. British Airways liability is limited to £1,000 per passenger unless a higher value is declared prepaid. Valuables, jewelry, electronics should be in carry-ons, as liability is not covered in checked bags. Travel insurance is recommended. Track delayed bags via World Tracer online. Partner airlines and codeshares. On codeshare or partner flights, e.g., American Airlines, Iberia, baggage policies may differ. The allowance is typically set by the airline operating the longest leg of the journey. For example, a BA flight number operated by American Airlines follows American's rules. Check the operating airline's policy via their website or British Airways baggage calculator to avoid surprises. Always confirm allowances for connecting flights. Tips for travelers. Use the baggage calculator. Check allowances for specific routes on ba.com. Prepay online. Save up to 50% on extra bag fees via Manage My Booking. Measure and weigh. Use a tape measure and luggage scale to comply with limits. Pack valuables and carry-ons. Avoid loss by keeping essentials with you. Check partner rules. Confirm policies for codeshares or connecting flights. British Airways policy is generous compared to budget carriers, especially for premium cabins and elite members, but strict enforcement of size weight limits requires preparation. For the latest details or to calculate fees, visit ba.com or contact British Airways at 0344 493 0787, 6 a.m. 11 p.m. daily. Policies may vary on partner-operated flights, so verify before flying. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.